Chicken Knows Best here with important information about the flu vaccine and pregnant women. We intended to have a pregnant woman here in the lab today. However, my expedition to find one was not successful.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Apparently, I was misinformed. Nonetheless, pregnant women, wherever you are, you have a higher risk of severe illness and health complications that can be caused by influenza. Your best protection? The flu vaccine. It is safe and effective for you and your unborn child. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have unfinished business with science. Where are they?